Hi, welcome to the second section on the lifelong project. I'm so happy that you're moving forward. I find that a lot of people start these courses and then they take a few and then they say, I'll finish it later, and they back off. Well, this is a course that you definitely want to finish the entire thing. So great job finding that motivation to keep going, and don't quit going. Keep going. You can do this. Now, in this section, we're going to talk about finding purpose in our life. And you probably already have purpose in your life, but we want to be very clear about what is purpose and intention, because that will help us determine what's valuable as we move over the next year in your lifelong project. We're also going to be looking at creating a project theme, so a way of encapsulating what the next year, what you are focusing on, and why you're doing this. All projects, personal or corporate, have to have a reason why they're initiated. Now, we know that a project is a temporary endeavor to create a unique product, condition, service, or result. So you are temporary as well, the next year of your life anyway, and you know that you are creating something unique. You are unique. And so with that mindset, as we go into this section, think about the uniqueness of what you're doing, that your goals and your desires are going to be totally different than mine or from anyone else that's taking this course. So that's something that is special just for you. And that'll help us write our project charter. Yes, you'll be writing a project charter. A project charter is a document that authorizes the project manager to manage the project and the resources that that project uses. Well, you are the project manager, so you already have the authority. But writing a charter is a way of formally launching the project. It's a way of formally allowing us to move forward with planning and executing. I find that a really valuable exercise as it begins to create the framework for where we're going over the next year. Let's get started.